Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of The Revenge of My Lover, Chapter 2. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to the story. The two reasons why they're being reborn. Also give a chance to stay in this world because of this angel and devil. It is your fault. The angel said to the devil. Sister, what are you talking about? The devil is asking the angel. I don't quite understand it. Oh, looking at this girl, she was really acting cute. Right now, the angel said, did you bring Wen Fing back to life? Oh, she was pertaining. Why she suddenly gave Wen Fing a chance to get reborn also. Right now, this little devil said, yes, I expected of my sister, you will find it so quickly. So this devil is the reason why Wen Ping got reborn. And the angel asked, why did you do that? Well, it's a normal talk for them. Two of them are playing chess. Also, the angel. She got really curious. Sister, right now, can you pay more attention to me? The devil is asking the angel, but right now, the devil seems to be serious also. She was really asking the angel. Well, for the angel, don't answer my questions with questions. Well, definitely she was right. She was asking questions and right now, being questioned by the other question. Well, that was really too tough. The devil said, okay, I just think it is not fair. What is unfair? I don't understand you anymore. Angel said to the devil, but right now, Angel stood up. You gave Yan Changshuang a chance to be reborn because she was unwilling to do so. But when Wenping is not willing to give in, so right now, she has a perfect reason to offer a contract to be able to get reborn. Oh, this angel and devil dispute. Well, the devil is right. On the other hand, Wenping, she should be giving also a same treatment. Yan Shangshuang, will her soul in this life be dying without his unwillingness? Well, right now, the devil seems to be right on what she decided. To give Wenping another chance to get reborn, and seeing her so unwilling, I will give her a chance. Right now, set to her a proper alibi. And what will angels do to her? But you are violating our rules. Well, definitely, they have some rules. But right now, since the devil is getting tricky, she get be punished by this. Helping Wenping to stipulate. But right now, the little devil seems to be tricky. Also, she is willing to help Wenping to be able to get reborn. Sister, don't be so pedantic. The rules are already dead, but living people are the most exciting place. Oh, she was really tricky person, so she get happy. She was playing with the people's feeling. What a point she has. God life is so boring. Oh, it means that the little devil only wants to play things. The little devil was calling the sister angel. Well, how can a sister angel have well things so she cannot be played or toyed by this devil? On the other hand, I always only hear the most noisy prayers. The devil said to her, contradicting to what the devil said. Right now, she moved closer and said, you cannot see the silent pain of the others people. Well, definitely she was right. Most of them are really suffering. But they really kept themselves on silence. Look at her. She looks really in pain. Well, back then, nurse seems to be talking, saying that this was sudden myocardial infarctions and faints into the prison. It was hearing the news that her daughter's death stimulates her attack. So right now, when Pring was there, hey, it's so pitiful. Gladly, the little devils approached her, and right now, she was whispering on her. You want to be reborn? The little devil said to her. Since she was really grieving, Yang Xuan has already lost. Right now, she's be here alone. I can give you a chance. Well, when Ping asked her, what is the price for this? Well, technically, no one's offering free, right? She need to face, so she get reborn. Back then, the little devil said, there's no price, you should be gift of God. Well, she must be curious if she's the devil or a god. If you have doubts, I can give you a copy of contracts so you can see it. So, do you want it or don't want to be get reborn? Well, what a good offer she has. She really doubting, that's why she was looking on the contract. Oh, the little devil. She was really good at convincing people. That's why Wenfing finally agreed to her and signed a contract to be get reborn. Well, Wenfing, she looks determined on that time. Probably she get really reborn. So the mistake that she has happen again and need to change the fact the previous mistake that she already done. She was staring at the ceiling at this moment. Why do I remember the day of my rebirth again? Right now, looking at it, well, technically, she really miss her past life. She remember it again. The year I graduated, I should have met Shuang Shuang. So right now, she remember young Shuang Shuang again. They are really close to each other and also a lover. Back then, look at them. It was a happiness and also a little bit misunderstanding. That's why the last day of Yan Shuang Shuang, he crossed the street without looking at her. It cost her her own life. So it was really strange. She should really fixing the mistake of the past, but right now she clearly avoiding it. If I miss her, can she still find me? Now she's asking herself. Well, probably. She is an artist right now. The chance of being met to each other are really too high. Be careful when you step down. Also, what does this mean? So back then, she clearly remember her, but she's avoiding her. But I can never allow errors. In this life, never repeat the same mistakes. So what she can do about it? Right now, she said, I can't let my mother get framed anymore. So her situation seems to be tricky. Also, how she can face Yang Xiangshuang again. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do comments and turn on notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!